There, all better now.
Thank you, doctor. Phew, he's okay.
No!
But why not? It's not safe. Okay, we'll stop.
Good. Safety first.
Let's play something else.
Wow!
Oh no, are you okay? Don't cry, we're here.
Okay, don't. Thanks. Yay, let's play! Woohoo!
Yes, Dr. Branch, they'll be fine. Just keep them comfortable.
Thank you, Doctor. I will.
See, my little ones, everything will be all right.
That's the spirit. No more jumping on the bed. This is your last warning.
We're sorry, Doctor. We promise we'll be good.
Good. Now, take your medicine.
Here you go, Doctor. Hee, more fun.
Stop! You're bad monkeys!
No way! This is awesome! Doctor, it's little Timmy!
What are the symptoms?
Fever, chills, and they won't eat their bananas!
A classic case of banana fever. Keep them hydrated and no more sweets.
Thank you, Doctor.
No means no. Put it down now.
Wow, he's Dr. Seuss once ever. Pretty good. Promise. So not.
Now, let's check your vitals. No more jumping on the bed. This is your last warning.
We're sorry, Doctor. We promise we'll be good.
Good. Now, take your medicine.
Here you go, Doctor.
Whee! This is fun! Be careful, you'll get hurt! We told you so! Okay, no more jumping. Good idea. Let's play quietly.